Handy Ant here. Time to learn something new. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're working on this Ryobi 18 volt blower, model number P21081VNM. So what can happen with this blower is the impeller can get damaged, the fins break off, so you just have to order another part and it's easily changed. So you start by removing the four screws that are in the back holding this together, and then you remove these two screws as well to remove the front end. All you need is a T15 Torx screwdriver and a pair of vice grips to hold the motor shaft. So you remove this back cover and this front end to reveal basically the motor. Take this cone off. I'm going to hold the motor shaft with a pair of vice grips, and you're just going to spin this off the threaded shaft. I was able to pick up a new one on Amazon for only $9 and change. I suggest you just drop a little thread locker on that shaft, even though it shouldn't come off, but just to be safe. So you just spin that rotor right on and just put the covers back on and you're good and gold. You will have to loosen these three screws so you can get this back in the notch over here. See how it goes in that notch, and you can close it up. And that's all there is to it. She's good as new. So hope somebody learned something from this. Thanks for watching.